In this video, we're going to take a look at how to rotate an image. So first, what I'm going to do is click on the image icon and just search for image. So I'm going to take the image here and insert. Okay, so we're going to use this Bart Simpson image, and let's say, for example, I want to rotate it so it's upside down. I click on the image, and then you might just notice you click on the image, there's this circle here. So all you do is click it, hold it, and drag it, and that gives you the freedom to rotate it as you want. As you see, Bart Simpson now upside down, which looks pretty cool. But that's how you rotate an image.